Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to make these colorful and fun dandiya sticks with name on them. I'm making this in kids size. You can make it in any size of your choice. Now, without any delay, let's get started. For any given surface, if you are painting, always add a base white coat. It will enhance the colors that we add later. Use your muscle strength to get these cup hooks fixed to the sticks. Mark the lines and later, using painter's tape to paint these in any color of your choice. As I'm making these sticks for my kid, I added rainbow colors to make it fun for her. First set, I added the painter's tape and painted on them as shown. For the next set, I covered the painter's tape as shown and finished the painting on the sticks and let them dry completely. If the color spreads like this, not to worry. Just repaint it and it will look perfect. I finished the design by adding some dots using hairpin and toothpick as shown here. To make it more personal, I added my kid's name on the sticks. I added a coat of varnish to get a shiny finished look. Now, let's make some pom-pom tassels. Using a shiny thread and needle, I made 3 pom-pom strings and tied them together to form a knot. added these pom-pom hangings to the cup hooks and used cutting pliers to close the hooks. Yeah, you need some strength to close this, but they're easy to close. Beautiful and colorful dandiya sticks are ready. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Once again, thank you very much for watching.